New details tonight at 5:45. We're working to learn how 5 people are doing tonight after emergency crews responded to a call about possible carbon monoxide poisoning in northeast Columbus. Now, according to the Mifflin Township Fire Chief, this happened at 9:30 yesterday morning at this home on Beryl Avenue. We know medics took 4 juveniles and 1 adult to the hospital. Doug?
Yeah, Angela, carbon monoxide poisoning is preventable if you take precautions. Tonight, 10 TV's Carla Rogner reports on ways to protect your family.
When the fire department responded to this neighborhood yesterday, they say the levels of carbon monoxide inside the house measured at 400 parts per million. The EPA says anything over 9 parts per million can be dangerous.
Here's what a furnace can look like after a carbon monoxide leak is detected. It can be scary, even deadly, if not caught in time. But there are things homeowners can do to be proactive. Justin Smith, a service manager at Atlas Butler, says, for one thing, people should schedule annual maintenance, not just for furnaces, but for any gas appliance.
If you have propane like in your house, or if you have gas stoves, gas furnaces, gas fireplace, hot water heaters, any of that stuff that's a gas appliance, they all produce exhaust or carbon monoxide.
In 2019, authorities found a hot water heater was to blame for a tragedy in Genoa Township. 4 members of the Writer family were found dead in their home after reporting flu-like symptoms to family and friends.
So it's very important to have all that stuff checked annually by a professional that knows what they're doing.
In addition to regular maintenance, Smith says every house or apartment should have working carbon monoxide detectors on every floor.
If you don't know how old your CO monitors are or the last time they've been replaced, pull them off the wall and check the expiration dates on them. If it's been more than 5 to 10 years at most, then buy new CO monitors.
It's important to note carbon monoxide is odorless, colorless, and tasteless. So a working detector can be the difference between life and death.
If you're ever inside when the carbon monoxide alarm goes off, authorities say to go outside immediately and call 911. Don't try to find the source of carbon monoxide yourself. Reporting in Columbus, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.